Just take just take that portion, then just GY and push it inside in the y-axis. Just make some adjustment as you want to with GZ and Y or whatever you have to in that place. We want that place to be sealed. There should not be any gap in that place. And in this place, we're just gonna use simply the G key. Just as a corner, we can't use any Y or something else. Just simply use the G. Or if you want to be really precise and don't want to interfere with the Z axis, just press G, then Shift C. That thing locks the Z axis, and you can move the thing on X and Y.